Hello and welcome to the Vodcast that is an overview of the C3, C4 and CAM plants. C3 plants are called C3 because in carbon fixation, the first compound made is a C3 sugar called 3-PGA. They live in temperate conditions, which means that the temperatures aren't too extreme, too cold or too hot, and there's plenty of water available. Hence, they can have their stomata open all day long. The problem lies with the enzyme rubisco, which is formed when carbon dioxide is fixed to ruby P. Rubisco has both a carboxylase and an oxygenase activity. It uses the substrate carbon dioxide when the temperatures are low, but it uses oxygen as the substrate when the temperatures are high. The carboxylase makes 3-PGA, which is the 3-carbon sugar. However, the product of the oxygenase activity is unuseful to the plant, and this is called photorespiration. Most plants like to avoid photorespiration. So the C3 plant makes 3-PGA in the mesophyll cells of the leaf, and then from there it goes on to make glucose. Now C4 plants are called C4 because the carbon fixation product is a 4-carbon compound, which is oxaloacetate. C4 plants live in hot conditions. They have their stomata open in the morning and the afternoon, but not generally during the heat of the day. Water is available, but it's not in plentiful supply like the C3 plants. So it uses another enzyme called PEP instead of rubisco. PEP has no oxygenase activity, and PEP fixes carbon dioxide into oxaloacetate, which is a 4-carbon compound. It then moves the oxaloacetate to the vascular bundle sheath cells, which are the cells around the vascular bundles, because there is little oxygen in these areas. Once the oxaloacetate is inside the vascular bundle sheath cells, it then exposes it to rubisco, and then rubisco turns the oxaloacetate into 3-PGA and then glucose. Then we get to CAM plants. Now they're called CAM plants because they're adapted to dry, arid conditions, and these are plants like cactuses and pineapples. CAM means crassulacean acid metabolism, and it's the way that these plants minimize photorespiration. It's called CAM because it is named after the family of plants, the Crassulaceae, in which scientists first discovered the pathway. So CAM plants, they live in arid zones like deserts, but they can also live in rainforests and very humid conditions. They open up their stomata at night because it avoids the heat of the day. Water is scarce, generally. Again, it uses the PEP enzyme because it has no oxygenase activity. And the PEP makes oxaloacetate. It then pumps the oxaloacetate into the vacuoles of the mesophyll cells inside the leaf. And then it exposes it to rubisco to make 3-PGA and glucose. I hope this clears up the difference between C3 and C4 and CAM plants for you. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye now.